Hello everyone, welcome to CreArtive by Nature. My name is Donna. So I have a craft haul to share with you. It's not a big one, but I did find some fun things from Michael's, JYSK, and a local store called Scattered Goods. Let's jump into the haul. So they had their florals. I believe they were 40% off. Yes, 40% off. I know that's not the best deal in the world, but I found these really pretty. They're like a plastic, but they're these faux bush, and they were regular $5 each, and I just loved the colors, and I thought they looked pretty realistic. And then I got these foliage. They were regular $3, again 40% off. So I really liked them. And like I needed to get more felt, but I did. I didn't have these two colors in my stash, so I got 2 pieces of each, and they're 60 cents each there. Okay, I've seen a few people hauling these embossing folders with stamps. I got the one with the cactus for myself because I'm sure all of you by now know how much I love cactus and succulents. And I got the one with the unicorns for my daughter who absolutely loves to craft. Okay, and also for my middle daughter, she wanted some holographic glitter. They didn't have any holographic glitter in the fine that was reasonably priced. So I got the chunky glitter, and she likes to incorporate this into slime that she makes. I also had a 45% off coupon, and I don't always know what to use my coupons on. So when in doubt, I just stock up on my basics. So this time around, I got these Fiskars cutting blades, and this is to use in my paper trimmer. Okay, now I'm on to JYSK. They get some gorgeous napkins in. I didn't have much for spring napkins, and so I saw these and I just fell in love with them. They had lots of different patterns. I purchased the ones that they had with butterflies on them, which again I just love. But I just thought these florals were beautiful, great for crafting, but as well as using in the homes. Okay, and the last thing I got from JYSK was this mini tape gun. I just thought this was the coolest thing. Believe it or not, they have a little arts and crafts section, so you can buy paints there. And I'm pretty sure I saw an easel and a few chalk items and a few other things. But just go and explore in some of these stores because you never know what you're gonna find. So Scattered Goods. Scattered Goods is a store. It's kind of like a bargain store. They carry all kinds of different things. They have an amazing selection of craft goods. They carry a lot of Forever and Time products. So it's fun to go to. So one thing I like to get there are these fairy lights. Now, I pay a little bit more for them, but the thing with these is that they are on a timer. So you can turn it on, they're stay on for 6 hours, and then they're off for 18 hours. They are really, really great to have on hand. I'm not sure how many lights are on this strand, but it's 1.8 meters. The thing I thought I would use these for was outside, because then I could turn them on and I can forget about them until I need to change the batteries, of course. These are not meant for outside, but if you have them protected from the elements, they should work just fine. Okay, so I purchased clothespins, I had purchased 2 packages of these and 2 packages of these, but I've already used 1 bag of each, so. All right, so I also hit up their faux floral and greenery section. These are plastic ferns. I thought they looked pretty realistic. They were $2.49, and I thought for that price, these will be great to use in all kinds of different projects. And for how realistic this is, I thought it would be great to have in my stash. Okay, lastly are these cactus and succulent napkins. I was so excited to see these. There's 16 in a package. I think they were $1.99 a package. I love, love, love them. They are going to be great to use in the craft room, but I'm kind of tempted to go back and get another package so I can use them out on the sun deck. But yep, I'm a napkin freak, so that is everything from Scattered Goods.